this lonely hour when you rest your weary head. Well, I will be watching you and on tiptoes creep to your bed. And if you ever leave me, I will follow you. I'll find you anywhere you may go. It's the last thing that I do. You're my scarlet rose. I will never let you go. You will always know I will be yours to have and hold. Don't forget me. Don't regret me. Scarlet rose, scarlet rose. So dream your sweet baby dreams, and I will kiss your tiny cheek. And though I must leave now, know that you'll always be with me. I offer this prayer that everywhere she goes, Lord, please protect my baby, my sweet, sweet scarlet rose.